You know, it never ceases to amaze me when I walk into a plant. I often see large groups of people packaging, boxing, bagging, stacking, unstacking, etc., etc. You know, that's one of the quickest and easiest parts of your process to automate. It's a low-hanging fruit that could free up a lot of manpower, or person power, I guess, if you want to be woke about it, to do more efficient, effective things for a person. Boxing, bagging, stacking, palletizing, wrapping, that should all be automated in the modern world. That is the easiest, one of the easiest areas to automate because it's so repeatable and it's so simple. Having people perform those tasks it's really a waste of your greatest resource, which is your people. So when you look at your process today, when you're on your factory floor and you see people gathered around, stacking, boxing, bagging, labeling, palletizing, etc., etc., remember, you are wasting your people when you have them doing those things. Simple place to start automating. And you'll see immediate results and payback.